Hello everyone and welcome to Siri Advice YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you Promax performance for the past week on our Myfxbook and our VPS. Promax is the first fully automatic gold trading robot with a smart news filter which allows this EA to analyze both fundamental and technical news. So make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow our Alright everyone, welcome to our Myfxbook account of Promax Gold EA, and this one is preset number 1. This account has an initial deposit of $1,000 and it is real and verified. Okay, so the total gain we had with preset number 1 is 14.02%, and also the monthly profit is 4.01%. The drawdown is 4.59%, and also the whole profit in dollars is $140.21. And also, as you can see, it has been updated 26 minutes ago. Scrolling down to the next part, we have trading section which shows you every single duration results. So for today we didn't have any results. It says for the past week we had 0.43%, which is $4.90. For the past month we had 1.24%, which is $13.97. Scrolling down to the next part, advanced information, which gives you information about your trades. Totally we had 101 trades with preset number 1. The profitability of it is 87%, which means it won 88 out of 101 trades. 5,818 pips has been traded, and also the volume of lots is 1.66. Scrolling down to the next part, monthly analytics shows you every single month result with its chart. So it says for May we had 8.51%, for June we had 2.21%, July 1.55%, and for August we had 1.24% profit. Alright, next we have our MT4 account of Promax Gold EA preset number 1. This is how Promax should look on your MT4 account also. As you can see, we have Promax product box over here, and also we have the golden chart next to it. At the left, we have an open window which shows you different information about your account, like the name of the account holder, the name of the broker you have registered in, balance, equity, and also the number of open trades, which is 0 right now. At the bottom, we have a section called Account History. This section shows you every single trade with their details like time, type, size, etc. And it says for the past week we had $4.90 profit with preset number 1. Alright guys, next we have Promax Gold EA preset number 2 on our Myfxbook account. This account has an initial deposit of $100,000 and it is real and verified. So totally it has gained 102.08% profit, which is impressive. The monthly gain is 4.55%, the drawdown is 36.35%, and also the whole profit in dollars is $101,545.39. And also, as you can see, it has been updated 1 hour ago. Scrolling down to the next part, trading section. For today, we had 0.30% profit, which is $571.09. For the past week, we had 2.45% profit, which is $4,581.62. For the past month, we had 4.59%, which is $8,388.13. The next part, advanced information. Totally, we had 980 trades with preset number 2. The profitability is 77%, which means it won 757 out of 980 trades. 31,131 pips has been traded totally. The average win is 238.94 pips, which is $451.58. The volume of lots also is 1,613.10. Alright, and the last one is our MT4 account of Promax Gold EA preset number 2. The appearance and everything is the same as preset number 1, only the numbers and settings of the robot are different. At the bottom, we have account history, which shows you every single trade with their details. We have set the duration of this section for the past week, so let's scroll down to check the final profit. It says for the past week we had $4,581.62 profit with preset number 2.
Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you want to become one of our Promax users, make sure to use the link in the description of this video, which will direct you to our website and you can purchase Promax there. Tell us what you think and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a great week.